How to remove your Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. This tutorial shows you how to disconnect your page from your business account. First, open your web browser on your Android device and go to business.facebook.com. Next, log into your Meta Business Suite account. Following that, you'll be taken to the Meta Business Suite dashboard. Now, click on the menu icon or three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Moving forward, click on Business Settings at the bottom of the menu. Afterwards, you'll be redirected to the Business Settings page. In addition to that, look on the left sidebar and click on Accounts. Once there, click on Pages to view all Facebook pages connected to your Meta Business Suite. Subsequently, you'll see a list of all pages associated with your business account. Moreover, find the page you want to remove and click on it to select it. Afterwards, click on the three dots icon or more options next to the page name. Then, select Remove Page or Remove from Business from the drop-down menu. Within this step, Meta Business Suite will ask you to confirm the removal. Alternatively, make sure you understand that removing the page will disconnect it from all business tools and assets. Once you're certain, click on Remove or Confirm to proceed with the removal. Then, the page will be disconnected from your Meta Business Suite immediately. Within moments, you'll no longer be able to manage that page through Meta Business Suite. And that's it. If this removal tutorial helped you disconnect your Facebook page, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more Meta Business Suite guides, and make sure to activate the bell icon for future content. See you in the next one.